girl Bella. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you hit on that subscribe button down below and click on the little bell so you can be notified for all my new videos, because I would totally love to have you. Okay guys, as you can tell by the title of the video, I am sitting in my kitchen and I actually did a DIY. And first, let me make a public service announcement, because your girl is not a DIYer. I am not cut out for DIYing. Unfortunately, I just can't do it. I don't know what it is. I just can't DIY. But in saying that, I did try my hand. Now, guys, there's a million girls on this YouTube that are so amazing, and they make the most amazing DIYs. And girls, big thumbs up to you, because some of you do the most amazing stuff I've ever seen in my life. And you know who I'm talking about, because one of them is the queen of DIYs. That's what I call her. She knows who she is. She is my friend here. Okay, guys. If you want to see what I did, I made this wreath back here. Now, first, let me explain. I had made that wreath a while back. I'm going to link it up above in the iCard so you can see that video. But I'm telling you right now, that is an older video. That is when I first started my channel. I was trying my hand at a few things, but realized your girl's not a DIYer. So, it's a hot mess. But anyways, I'm gonna turn the camera around and I will show you what I did. I think it turned out okay. But you guys be the judge and you tell me what you think. And I would love a comment or anything from you guys. And yeah, you can give me some feedback on what I could have done different or should have done different, because I know you girls are really, really good at this stuff. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you what I did. Okay, so there's the wreath before. I did make this wreath. I will link the video up above in the iCard if you want to see it. But keep in mind that video is quite old and I was new to YouTube. So it's just a burlap bow wreath that I made using an old wire form that I had. And then I added the striped white and burlap ribbon and that beautiful cross that I found at Michael's. I think I found it on clearance. So yeah, so there's the wreath. And now I want to take it from its regular state to a fall state. So let me show you what I did. Okay, girls, this is what you're gonna need. You're gonna need these 3 pumpkins that have the clip on them from the Dollar Tree. I know everybody got these already. I couldn't find any different buffalo plaid ribbon, so I got this one from Michael's. I think I used my 40% off coupon. And you're gonna need a pair of scissors and a wreath, like a burlap wreath. So I'm pretty much leaving the wreath together, and let me show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, girls, so this is what I did. So I took the ribbon and I cut a piece this big and I just folded it in half, and this is how I measured it. I measured it from the tip of my longest finger to the end of my wrist, and I just cut it. And then I just wrapped it periodically all over. You can kind of see here. So it's super, super simple because, girls, I'm not a DIYer. I don't really know how to DIY. So I just wrapped it like that, and it kind of sticks out because you just kind of fluff with the burlap after, and it just sticks out like that. So I think it gives it a cute look, but I'm gonna play with it. So far I've done 6, but I think I want to do one more and kind of just put it over here. So I think I'm gonna add one more, or maybe 2 more. I might add 2 more. I think 2 more. I think I'm gonna add one there and one here. Okay, so that is it so far. Okay, so once I did that, so I did add a few more, and I just want to show you here. Let me see if I can get a good angle. Okay, so here's the ribbon, and I just hold the 2 points together like that. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that, right? Okay, and I just want to make like a little like pleats in them. I mean, I guess you don't have to hold them together, but I did. I just wanted to make little V's in them like that. So I'm gonna go do that to all of these. I'll show you right now. So I wanted them to look like that. Can you see that there? So like a little V. I think that just finishes it off better and stuff. So I did that. So I'm gonna go around and do that. And then the last step, now I did get, I'll show you these. I did get these cotton picks from Michael's, and I wanted to add them here, but I don't know. I don't know how to add them. Girls, honestly, I'm being serious. I'm not a DIY crafter. I have some ideas, but I wouldn't say too many. Yeah, like there's other girls on YouTube that have phenomenal channels and just do the world's best DIYs, and I love their channels, and I'm kind of envious of them because I don't know how they come up with these amazing ideas. Like my friend Shells here on YouTube, and so many girls, like so many girls, but my friend Shell, I call her the queen of DIYs because I don't know how she comes up with this stuff every day. So yeah, so I'm gonna play with my ribbon. I'm gonna cut all the ends. Where did I put that one? I'm gonna cut all the ends like that, and then I'm gonna hang it up, and I'll show you the finished project all hung up. Okay, there is the final wreath. That's my transformation, girls. I know for some of you it doesn't look like much, but I think it came out really, really cute. I think it has that total farmhouse vibe, but done my way. I didn't want to overdo it. Still wanted to keep the wreath the way it pretty much was. And I just wanted to add the little buffalo plaid and a little tiny pumpkin. I think the pumpkin turned out so cute. I'm really, really happy with that. Maybe if I had more pumpkins, I don't know. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think. One thing I do think it needs is I wish the buffalo plaid ribbon was a lot thicker. I think that would have made a much bigger impact. But all in all, I think it's it turned out okay. I'm happy with it. I think it'll do for this fall. Maybe next fall I'll do something better. But yeah. Okay guys, so I hope you liked this. I hope you liked my wreath. I totally think it turned out really good. I love the little pumpkin, and I love the black buffalo check. I wish it was thicker. I told you guys that in the other portion of the video. So please give this video a big thumbs up. Help a girl out that doesn't know how to DIY and cannot DIY. I think this was pretty simple. I think it gave it a lot of impact. It gave it just enough of that rustic farmhouse stuff, which don't tell anyone, but I love this farmhouse stuff, but in doses, like in bits, not too much, because you know, I'm a glam girl. So anyways, give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share, because I love reading your comments. And guys, I just noticed today when I was on YouTube, I did not receive some comments, and I was very late to respond back to my subscribers, and I'm really sorry about that. I can't believe that YouTube is doing this to me again. I'm not getting my full notifications. So in saying that, I hope you all have an amazing week ahead. If you're watching this video, I've uploaded on Monday, so I hope you have an amazing weekend. Stay blessed. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, YouTube.